Looking for the best tool chests? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 tool chests on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Keter Rolling Tool Chest. The plastic construction offers a surprisingly durable feel. The locking mechanism keeps drawers from sliding around when it is being moved. The top and the bottom can separate so you can take it on the go if need be. This option allows a lot of customization for what you need it to do. The plastic build does not hold as much weight as metal counterparts. At number 2, Craftsman 26-inch Tool Cabinet. The 5 various sized drawers are great for a wide variety of items. The wheels roll really well and it feels steady even when it has a lot of weight in the drawers. Comes with a lock and key to protect certain items from others. The soft close drawers are a nice addition. A great rolling cabinet for garages with limited space. Some customers reported dents in the product due to shipping errors. At number 1, Apollo Tools Portable Toolbox. The size of this model is a perfect fit for the back of a vehicle or a smaller home. The sliding drawers are lined with material that will keep your items from sliding. The top is big enough to fit medium-size items. A durable option that is compact enough to fit into smaller spaces or be easily transported to job sites. The top is not lined. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.